Hey Easy Technology fans, in this tutorial we're going to be showing y'all 5 ways on how to fix your microphone is too quiet on Windows 11. Now first thing you have to do is simply choose the start menu and simply either type in settings or you can choose the settings if it's pinned on your start menu right over here. And what you want to do is check the input volume, so that's what we're going to do. Under system by default you're going to want to select sound. And from here, you're going to scroll down a little bit and find where it says input and select the microphone in which you are using. So microphone array, go ahead and select this and make sure that your input volume is at 100%. So if this is not toggled to 100%, simply select it and drag it to 100%. And what you can do is also test your microphone. So start the test and it'll ask you to start talking or playing some audio, and then you can listen to it to see how loud it is if it improves. All right, and also what you need to do is turn off enhanced audio. So this might be toggled on, and what you want to do is simply just toggle this off because that might also affect it. All right, so from there, what we're going to do is check your microphone's permissions. So what you want to do is, once again, on the left-hand side, go ahead and select privacy and security. And from here, what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and go ahead and look for under app permissions, microphone. So go ahead and select microphone. And what you want to do is find the application in which you are having problems with, or you are not being heard with loudly or whatever it may be. And what you want to do is simply just toggle it on. So whatever the application is, for example, if it's voice recorder, all you need to do is toggle that on. All right, so the next method or way we are going to do is update our audio and mic drivers. So go ahead and exit this out, and simply you're going to choose the start menu, left click on it, and type in device manager. Or you can simply also right click on the start menu and simply select device manager. So it takes you to the same place. And what you want to do is simply look for where it says audio inputs and outputs. It should be the second or third option, no more than that. And what you want to do is select the arrow to the left of it slightly and go ahead and look for your microphone. So mine is microphone array, Intel Smart Sound Technology for digital microphones. Simply I'm going to left click on it one time, right click and select update driver. All right, and what you want to do is go ahead and select search automatically for drivers. So it's going to search if there are any drivers that needs to be updated for your microphone's audio. And if not, it'll tell you the best drivers for your device are already installed. All right, so go ahead and exit this out, choose close, exit this out. And the last but not least thing we are going to do to fix the problem is simply go back to the start menu and either type in settings, or you can select settings from over here. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll down to where it says troubleshoot. So go ahead and select troubleshoot and go ahead and select the last option, other troubleshooters. And from here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find recording audio. So what you want to do is simply run the troubleshoot for recording audio. It'll detect if there are any problems on your mic, and if there are any problems, Microsoft will automatically fix it for you. Alright, it's going to ask you which of these devices do you want to troubleshoot. So go ahead and select the one in which you are having problems with. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm doing it for the microphone, so I'm going to leave it at microphone array and select next. And it's going to detect problems, fix it if there are any. If there aren't, or it couldn't identify it, it's going to tell you troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. And all you have to do is either you can give feedback or just close the troubleshooter. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, share it to all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.